All right, guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman. Today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing strategies for 2024. Happy to see you guys here on the live with me right now. We're also broadcasting live from YouTube, guys. So if you see us here, everything is good. Make sure you leave a comment. Let us know everything's good. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss a beat when we go live and create this valuable content just for you. Now, we're going to talk about different affiliate marketing strategies for 2024. And I got a little bonus for you at the end I'm going to talk about that's going to really help you dive in and learn some great marketing in 2024 as well. So now let me get started here. One of the things I really want you to focus on and is when you have an affiliate program, okay, and you are an affiliate for that program, you have to really select those programs very, very carefully. And it's because we want to make sure, there's several reasons for that. We want to make sure that the program that we choose is actually going to be beneficial to what we believe in, okay? Because if you choose an affiliate program and you don't really believe in it, you're going to have a hard time selling it, okay? And the other thing is, when we choose the right affiliate program, we want to make sure that you understand the niche that you're promoting with that actual program, okay? So, and what I mean by that is, let's say you are a network marketer and you're looking to generate leads for your business. You want to find an affiliate program for that network marketing business to help generate leads and attract other network marketers to help them generate leads as well, okay? Really, really important when it comes to understanding choosing the right affiliate program for your business. Now, number two, and this is really important, is that whatever we do with affiliate marketing, whatever program that we choose, we're going to need a website, right? So we need to make sure that we have a really good funnel builder, because in this game of affiliate marketing, you want to actually have your own funnel. Now, a lot of programs come with, pre-installed funnels and things like that. But you want to have a funnel builder where you can at least create your lead, your lead capture page, your squeeze page, things like that, where you have a lot more control, right? Because it's unique to you what you're creating. So make sure that when you choose an affiliate program, make sure it has a funnel builder, all right? Because if you have the right funnel builder, you can create multiple funnels and you can really optimize it so you can actually get more results of what you're looking for. So you want to make sure you definitely optimize the website with the affiliate program that you're promoting. Very, very important. Now, number three, I'm going to talk about going all in. What I mean by go all in, I'm going to talk about two different variations of going all in. Going all in means like buy all the products, dive right in 110%. Okay, because if you are 100% committed, then people can tell that you're more real. Because of, if you're 100% committed, you're learning more skill sets, you're investing more in the products, you're investing more in the education, and that really is seeing is believing. People want to see that you are the real person to follow, right? People want to see that you're that type of individual that if I'm investing in my education with affiliate marketing, right, in these programs, and I go all in, I'm getting the best of the best. And when you get the best of the best, you actually teach high level stuff that people are actually looking for, because people are always looking to, solve their problems. And if you know the problems, what kind of problems to solve, then you're not going to have any problem generating those leads and attracting brand new people to your business. This is one of the mistakes a lot of people make when they join an affiliate program. They don't go all in. Now, what's the other variation? Now, we talked about the variation of going all in as far as investing in all the products, learning everything, so you become very efficient in what you do. The other variation is you have to go all in mentally, okay? When people actually dive right in, they don't really go all in into their business. And what I mean by that is they don't really feel fully committed. They're not fully committed, all right? One thing I learned, that if you're not fully committed in the program that you invest yourself in, okay, you're going to have a really tough time convincing people about the product. Because if you're not 100% committed mentally, people are going to know that you're not committed 100% mentally. All right. You know when you're 100% committed mentally because your actions speak it, but also your language speaks it as well. Okay. So when you're fully 100% committed mentally, when you're going out there and you're creating content, you want to make sure that the content you're creating is real. It's more transparent. It's more down to earth. One of the things that I see a lot going on in the industry today, everybody's becoming like a cookie cutter, right? They are they're starting to sound alike. They're starting to sound like everybody else, right? Because they're following this formula and things like that. And what I realized over the years is the more unique you become to the marketplace, the more you stick out in the marketplace, right? So when you're 100% committed in your business, in your program, that will shine out when you create that content because you're being more transparent, you're being more real because you are more real with the program, being committed 110% mentally. All right. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is, how to boost your sales in your affiliate marketing program, because that's really the final one I want to talk about is that you want to really focus on boosting your sales, right? So how do you boost your sales? Because you can make an upfront sale, but how do you really boost your sales? It's called incentives, okay? And I'm gonna give you guys an example right now of that incentive. Now we have a program that we promote that focuses on a funnel builder, marketing education that teaches you about the funnel builder. And then another product is teaching about digital marketing education, right? And then once you start making money, what do you do with that money to actually multiply your income? So it's really a perfect marriage with all the products the way that they belong together, right? But there's incentives to actually make the purchase for this product. And the reason why I'm going to show you this is because this is what you got to think about in 2024 is how can I actually implement these kind of strategies in my business and boost my sales. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the login area here. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to go to my business page. Let's see. Business. Me. And let me just log in real quick. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually share my screen so you guys can see what I see. Let me see here. All right. See. Hey, Karen and Steve, what's going on, guys? Hey, Anita Webb, nice to see you. Everybody here, thank you for being here. Appreciate you. I am going to share my screen right now, and I am going to go. All right, there we go. All right, so this is the back office here, and this is the funnel builder. All right. And let's see here. Let me go over to maximize the screen. Now I want you guys to see this a lot better. There we go. So now what we can use is an incentive to actually sell a funnel builder. So we have the funnel builder education steps. So I have funnel builder first steps, funnel builder setup, and also there's live coaching. So there's also weekly coaching with the funnel builder. Really, really cool because they also have a template section that gives a lot of templates for the funnel builder. So we can use this as incentives when we're promoting our program. All right. So whatever program you have, whatever you're promoting, make sure that you think about this with your program. Look at what they actually offer and create an irresistible offer by, talking about these incentives to your audience, which is very important. Now, one thing I'm going to talk about is the affiliate zone section here. And there is a product called underneath the bonus vault. Get it, guys? Bonus. And we're going to click on the affiliate marketing domination course. And what you can do to boost your sales is go through this course. Why? Because it teaches you about marketing. It teaches you how to create incentives. It teaches you how to actually, double, triple your sales, right? How to prepare your audience, right? How to do a 2-step bridging process, right? How to create a bonus congruent with your offer. Now, remember I told you that how to boost your sales? This is the most important thing that you can do when it comes to boosting your sales. Create a bonus congruent offer. And you can do this. We've done this with one of our offers already. Like if we go over to Let me go over to the, let's see here. I'm going to go to my funnel builder. I'm going to show you guys something really cool. As you can see, we got one of my pages down here. A lot of pages, guys. This is the funnel builder. And let's see, is it down here or is it up here? I think it's up here. There it is right there. So we did an offer on Aweber, right? And Aweber is an autoresponder. So what we did was we actually created a congruent bonus offer with the actual main offer. So we're selling, of course, Aweber, right? And it can get started for free. Now, here's the thing. If I scroll down here, it says bonus number 1, bonus number 2, and bonus number 3. Now, with these bonuses, every bonus has an offer, it's congruent to the main offer. So we created a video and did a walkthrough and shared some features and benefits of Aweber. And then we said, you know what? If you actually click on this button and sign up through our link, you're going to be able to actually have our Aweber Fast Start training that we're going to do for you. Okay. We're going to get you started, help you out with things like that. Bonus number 2, we're going to talk about Aweber content creation swipe file. So we're going to give you emails just to get going with your email marketing, even if you've never done it before, to help you really just, take off and start running, right? And over here, bonus number 3, our Aweber personalized support session. So we want to have a 30-minute session with you so we can walk you through the process and help you understand Aweber. Now, that's extreme value, right? And people are saying, well, wait a minute, I'm just getting started for free. You guys going to do all this stuff for me? Yes, absolutely. Because if we over deliver and give you value, okay, you're going to want to know more what Ace and Rich actually does. And this is what you want to do with your brand as well. You want to make sure that you offer bonuses, right? Another word for bonuses is incentives. So that way people will make a decision more likely because of the bonuses, right? So let's say that we have this main offer, which is the Home Business Academy, which sells the funnel builder. I'm going to offer this as a bonus. Why? Because it is a bonus. The bonus is affiliate marketing domination course, one of my favorite courses. So I'm going to say, hey, just for a limited time right now, if you get started with us right now, you're going to get the offer right here, the bonus offer, which is the affiliate marketing domination course. Hold on. Let me switch over here. Bonus vault. I keep switching back. There we go. Affiliate marketing domination course. And there's a lot of other bonuses too, guys. I mean, look at all these bonuses that you could actually acquire when you sign up with Ace and Rich, right? But not only that, if you sign up right now with Ace and Rich, you're going to get a 30-minute session with us. Then we're going to be able to help you and set up your first, funnel for you. So that way you don't have to worry about creating the funnel. We're going to do it for you. Okay. So think about that. We'll create the first website for you and get you going, and that we, go off to the races running. Now, why do we do that? It's because we want to make sure that, we take care of our brand. We want to make sure that we help the individual help get a result as quickly as possible. Because what happens with people is when they look at content like this, right, and they look at like, okay, well, this is an offer, this is great and everything, but I'm not sure if I could do this. But by us providing these bonus congruent offers, we could actually help people, not feel as intimidated, where they can be like, you know what, I feel confident with Ace and Rich. I can actually get started with Ace and Rich because they're not going to let me, leave me in the dark. And I can start generating leads for my business. And I know they can help me understand that. And I feel like I'm in good hands with Ace and Rich. And we build our brand around that. So I want you guys to understand these strategies that you can use in 2024 can really help you crush it in your business in 2024. And you might be looking at this and going, hey, wait a minute, I'm brand new. I go, even better. You're brand new. I mean, get started. Just get it going. And if you want to get started with us, we could actually help you get your business up and running and get set up so you can start marketing and you don't have to worry about waiting a long time to try to figure things out. Now, don't get me wrong. I want you to learn. I want you to educate yourself. But at the same time, I want to be able to help you get things put together so you are marketing so you can start learning while you're earning. Okay? So I love this, guys. This is, these kind of topics I'm really passionate about because I've done this for so many years since 2008 and I've been very successful. And, if there's anything that I can share with you to help you more than anything is make sure that when you get on the inside here, this is the course that's going to be your best friend is the Affiliate Marketing Domination course. It's going to teach you why people buy. why people buy. Okay. All right, guys. So let me head back over here and just to let you know, if you're on YouTube right now, the link is below the video that you can get started. Not only that, but if you're watching us maybe on your phone, just head on over to aceandrichpages.com where you can actually get on the inside and you can also get our bonuses as well. Okay. So let's see. We got some people here that probably got some comments over here. Let's see. We got Anita saying, "Good evening, Rich. Thank you for being here and teaching us." You're welcome, Anita. Nice to see you. Let's see. Karen and Steve is right here. Karen and Steve, nice to see you. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll take a question before we wrap things up. And if not, we could just wrap it up as well. All right. So I went over a lot, guys, and these are great strategies you can use in your business in 2024. Okay. All right, guys, I don't see any questions here. So with that being said, my name is Rich Guzman. I'll see you on the next video very soon. All right, guys, have a good one.